Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your HP OfficeJet Pro 8610 series printer on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser on your device, and into Google search, you want to type in HP OfficeJet Pro 8610 support and search for it. Best result should come back with an HP support page that says HP OfficeJet Pro 8610 E all-in-one printer series. Go ahead and open that up. And then just scroll down on this page underneath support category and select software and drivers. And then scrolling down again underneath the driver product installation software, there should be an item in here that says HP OfficeJet Pro 8610E all-in-one printer series / HP OfficeJet 8600 series printer full feature software and drivers. Select download for that. And then once it's downloaded to your system, go ahead and open up that file to run it. And it should take a moment to extract here, so just please be patient. It's going to ask you want to allow this app to make changes to your device, verified publisher, HP Inc. Select yes, and then you just want to follow through with the on-screen directions here of getting your printer properly configured to your device. And that's all you have to do. So again, just follow through with the on-screen steps, and that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.